All right, let's do the questions for day 6. Answer questions number 1 through 8. Number 1, in which activity does the substance change to a new substance? So when I do a question like this, I think to myself, burning bubble baby. And since I'm looking for a new substance, I'm trying to find the one that is a burning bubble baby one. A says boiling point, or the boiling of water. Is it burning? Is it bubbling? Well, when water boils, it bubbles. But I also know that I just read, and Ms. Godfrey has said a lot of times, that boiling is not a new substance because it's like the same as evaporating water. Freezing water, wait, but it's just ice. So it's not a new substance. Plus, it doesn't burn and it doesn't bubble. Milk turning sour. Well, when milk turns sour, burns? No. Does it bubble? No. But the burning bubble baby changes color. And I think that the milk might start to look kind of yellowy. And I know that the burning bubble baby would smell bad if it was burning. And I know sour milk smells bad. So maybe that is a new substance. All right. And the last one is adding sugar to water. And when I add sugar to water, I get sugar water. But I think that when the water evaporates out, then I would still have sugar and water vapor. So I think that's dissolving. All right, I'm pretty sure I know which one is the new substance, and I think you probably do too by now. Let's go to number 2. Arnold makes some changes to a piece of paper. Which change produces a new material? Oh, so I am looking for burning bubble baby. All right. A, burning bubble baby, tearing a piece of paper, burning bubble baby. B, folding a piece of paper, burning bubble baby. C, cutting a piece of paper, burning bubble baby. D, burning a piece of paper, burning bubble baby. Ooh, it just makes it so easy. I'm sorry, y'all, especially if the parents are hearing, but the burning bubble baby makes it so much easier than without it. All right, number 3, which action represents physical? So, now these get tricky because now I don't want it to be a burning bubble baby. So all the ones are going to be burning bubble babies, I got to get rid of them, right? So, remember, new substance, burning bubble baby. Baking a cake. Does it burn when you bake a cake? No, unless you burn it. Does it bubble? Well, I know lots of times my classes say that it doesn't bubble, but the cake has little bitty air holes. That's what makes it look spongy. And I think those air holes are made from bubbles that form, from carbon dioxide bubbles that form when the cake is baking. So I know that cakes change color when you bake it because it's all brown and golden. So to me, that might not be physical because I am changing cake batter into an actual new substance, cake. Right? B says curdling milk to make cheese. I don't even know if I know what curdling is, except I really do, but you probably don't. All right, so if milk is curdling, that's like when it goes sour, kind of the same as the other question in number 1. Curdling milk to make cheese. And you know what else? Cottage cheese has curds in it. Curds are when solids form out of a liquid. And do you remember when we made butter? That we shook it up and we ended up with liquid buttermilk and a solid, and we knew that was a chemical change. So I feel like curdling milk is making a new substance just like when we made butter. All right, and I'm looking for physical this time. C, heating sugar to make caramel. Well, here's the deal about this. When you heat sugar to make caramel, it changes from white sugar to brown caramel, which makes me think that it's not physical. And the last one is melting an ice cube. And it seems like when you melt ice, it turns into water, which is still water because ice is water and liquid water is water. And I don't think you're making a new substance then. So we might have found our physical change. All right, let's go to the next one. Ooh, this looks like it said math stays the same. So just add it up 1. Amanda asks, adds 6 grams of salt to 10 grams of water. How much salt solution? Don't do your math wrong, babies. Get that one right. The mass stays the same, so just add it up. All right, number 5. An hour after cutting an apple into slices, A chef observes that the apple slices have a brown color. Ooh, color change. Boo, color change. Right, right. The burning bubble bubbles and burns and changes color and stinks and smells bad and changes colors. Okay, we already said that. All right, I'm just too excited about this one. So if it says it changes to a brown color, A, the cutting of the apple and change in color are physical. No, because it changes colors. That's a new substance. New substance is chemical change. You throw the babies in the chemicals. The cutting of the apple and the change in color are chemical. I think maybe the next one says the cutting of the apple is chemical. Oh, I see it. I almost got it wrong. The cutting is chemical. No. And it says, and the change in color is physical. So what about the last one? The cutting of the apple is physical because it's still an apple when you cut it, and the change in color is chemical. I think I found it now. What do you think? All right, number 6. Ben takes a piece of paper and cuts it into a shape shown in the image. What is the evidence of change in the piece of paper? Well, it's a different shape, right? I'm not looking at the choices. I'm just predicting. Change of color is probably the same color. Change of state, like did it change to solid and liquid and gas? I don't think so. Change of shape, that's what I predicted, and I'm pretty smart, and so are you. And I know you predicted that when you cut something, it changes the shape, changes the texture. It would still probably feel the same paper. You might have a little bit of bumps from the holes in it, but probably, right, it's probably the shape because that's what we predicted, and we're really smart. All right, number 7, and we should always trust ourselves on our predictions because we know our science. Which activity will result in a new substance? Burning bubble baby. A, breaking a pencil in half, burning bubble baby. B, chopping wood, burning bubble baby. C, roasting a marshmallow, burning bubble baby. Melting butter, burning bubble baby. None of them say burning or bubbling, so I have to think deeper now. Well, I break a pencil in half. Is that anything new, or is it just broken pieces of pencil? Or so it can't be that. When I chop wood, am I making anything new? No, it's just pieces of wood, right? Right. All right, so melting butter, am I making something new, or is it still just liquidy butter? What about when I roast a marshmallow? It's still marshmallow, but what changes to it? Oh, wait a minute. It gets brown, or if you leave it in there too long, it gets black. So is it changing color? And is that part of the burning bubble, baby? Oh, I think we maybe figured this one out. All right, number 8. Which image is the best example of a chemical change? There's no images, so you just have to forgive that. Fireworks, burning bubble baby. Fireworks burn? Okay, so that one might be it because, fireworks burn. Cutting, burning bubble baby. Crushing, burning bubble baby. Melting snow, burning bubble baby. There's no burning and bubbling and snow melting, or in crushing a can, or in cutting paper, but fireworks definitely burn. All right, I know y'all got green on this, and if you need any help or if you messed up, just send me a text. I'll take it out and you watch the video and then you try again. Love you. Stay safe.